Welcome to the first video in our ongoing PowerSite training series. This will be a general introduction into PowerSite and the different components that make up our product. First of all, congratulations on choosing PowerSite. It's a really great website management system, and we're sure you're going to enjoy it. So what is PowerSite? Well, it's basically the ultimate website solution for small businesses. It has a variety of features that include pretty much everything you could need or want in a website management solution. So what does PowerSite include? Well, there's a variety of products that go into it, as well as ongoing services that we offer. We have our content management system, which is based off Mojo Portal. We have an e-commerce engine that is based off of NotCommerce. We have social media integration, SEO tuning, and of course integration with Google Analytics to see who's accessing your site and manage traffic and that sort of thing. As far as services go, we offer a variety of ongoing support options should you think that you need that. We have hosting, customization, ongoing SEO work, content optimization, social media marketing, as well as just general site maintenance. So first of all, we're going to take a look at the content management system. So it basically contains everything that you need to run your website from day to day. We're just going to log in here and show you. So you'll go to your home page, and then you'll type in your login URL, which should be the same. And then once you log in, you'll notice that there's this bar that appears at the bottom that has some different options. You can click on File Manager to see the different files that you have stored on your website. This will be like images, PDFs, anything you really need to link to. You can also click on the administration, which is the hub for all the different settings within your site. You can go to add and edit pages, to edit, delete, or add new pages, and as well as access the content within each of them. You can also reorder hierarchies by just dragging pages up and down with these arrows. There's also the content manager, where you can see all the different pieces of content within your site, and as well as search for them, so you can really pinpoint the certain feature you want to edit. There's also general site settings, advanced tools. You can also access the file manager from here. So basically this is probably the main area that you'll spend most of your time in when managing your site. And then we'll just go back to the slideshow here. So the next thing we'll look at is social media integration. And so with every PowerSite we include buttons or badges that'll link to all your social networks so customers can easily get in contact with you. These will usually appear like this at the header or the footer of every page, like you can see here. So if you click on that, it'll take you to the corresponding social media network. Then we will move on to Google Analytics. And if you don't know about Google Analytics, it's basically the best in class and industry leader in monitoring website traffic and users that are coming to your site. It's a powerful solution that answers all the important questions of who, where, when, what, and why people are accessing your website. So I'll show you the back end here quickly. So once you log in, you'll see your site. You'll just click on that, and it has a bunch of different graphs, statistics, demographics information, what kind of languages people are using when they access your site. You can also have real-time reports, as well as just seeing what kind of interests the people have that are accessing your site. And then you can also create custom searches and reports as well. It's a really powerful tool and it's free, which makes it that much better. Next, we'll move on to our Not Commerce engine, which is the e-commerce solution that we use with PowerSite. It's a fully customizable storefront. It's really friendly in terms of SEO, and you can have multiple stores, vendors, and device support, so you can, create a mobile storefront if you need one. And we'll just show you what that looks like here. So this is our order form, and as you can see, you can create, pretty robust and customized pages for your storefront. Now, if you log into the backend, there should be a link here at the top to log in, but I'm already logged in. If you go into it, you'll see the backend for Not Commerce, where you can really just dive down into, sales. You can change all the settings from here, like taxes and payment options. You can see who your customers are and create reports from here. And also offer promotions like coupons and discounts and that sort of thing. So going back to the training PowerPoint here, we're going to move on to SEO. So with every PowerSite we sell, we offer free SEO tuning as soon as the website's done and completed, so that all the meta tags and keywords are set up so that you can really hit the ground running. If you think that you may need ongoing SEO support, please take a look at our order form, because that is an option included in some of our support plans. So speaking of that, Fast Track offers a variety of different support plans that will really help to keep your website optimized. There's a bunch of different things that go into it, like content management, custom development, SEO, etc., etc., etc. And we're just going to briefly take a little peek at each one of those right now. So the main page that you would go to access these support plans, if you think you need them, is on our order form. So we'll just go here to the main landing page. You just click on order form and skip right to services. And here you'll see the general feature breakdown for everything. As you can see, there is a free option included that you can choose if you want, and then there's a variety of other more and more comprehensive plans. So one of the main things that we offer is maintenance. So if you have bugs or glitches or anything as you update content, our team can help you with that and remove all of those so that your website's in tip-top shape throughout the time you're using it. We also offer content optimization management. So that means basically if you need help writing copy for your website, or if it isn't showing up properly or the way you want it, we can take care of that for you. Next, we offer social media management. We have a variety of people that are qualified to do this. So if social media really isn't your thing, and you don't really have the time to focus on that, if you just choose a support plan that includes this, you will be able to get us to help you out there and manage your social media accounts and really build your presence on there to connect with your customers in a more personal way. We also offer a variety of hosting options. This is outside of the ongoing support plans, but as you can see, we have Economy, Deluxe, Ultimate, and Cloud. Basically, these become much more powerful, as you progress through the solutions. The cloud is obviously the most robust and comprehensive solution. As you can see here on the hosting tab, you'll see just a breakdown for all the different features for each hosting option. As you go up through them, you'll have more storage space, more email accounts, more bandwidth to use, as well as disk space. Next, we will be covering customization. So if you feel like you need ongoing custom development throughout your website, if you need that custom widget or slideshow, image gallery, or just a custom order form, we can help you out there with our support plans. Just pick a plan that works for you and your budget, and we'll have our developers work on whatever custom feature you want as that arises. There's also ongoing SEO work, as I mentioned before. So this goes past our initial tuning. We'll have our SEO specialists look at your website and tune it every month or every week to make sure that it's consistently performing and maximizing your online exposure. This is great because SEO is a huge part these days of building traffic, leads, and one of the most important things as well is organic search rankings, so that you don't have to pay for ads anymore, but people will find you on the first page of Google just by clicking certain keywords. Next, we'll go through customer support. So we offer, as part of our support plans, ongoing customer support for both you and your clients. Certain options include forum support, email, and with some of the more comprehensive plans, we do offer 24/7 phone support. So if there's ever any problem that arises or any confusion on your end of why something isn't behaving the way it needs to be, or you need help with a certain setting or feature, you can just call us up at any time and we'll be able to help you out. Next, we do offer ongoing design services, much like our custom development. So, as you're growing online and your website needs change, you may feel that you need to add new pages or perhaps a rebranding, or other things like custom email templates. And if this need arises, you can all sign up for one of our support plans, and we'll have one of our designers work on this and help you out with creating a whole new brand image online. So now we'll go into the basic overview of what PowerSite can do for you. Besides being an awesome website solution, it can create more traffic for you, which means more leads, which potentially means also more sales. You're also going to reduce website maintenance costs because this is a really easy solution to master and learn. And in terms of saving future costs, a custom solution like this is great because you won't be having to go through multiple redesigns or transferring over to a different solution, because this one will scale with your business. It also helped to make a great and powerful online business presence for your company. And really, with the different features like social media integration, dynamic content, it'll really help you to connect with your consumers and customers like you never have before. So what do you do next? Well, we have a bunch of other videos for you to check out that really dive into the nitty-gritty aspects of every component of PowerSite. Next, you should probably review and finalize your website content. You can also ask us for help if you want and sign up for one of our support plans for that. And also, it's really important that you have an online marketing plan in place and management plan so you can really maximize your investment here, because a website isn't a one-off thing. It's going to require ongoing work and you need to add to it continually so you really build your online presence. And of course, make sure people know that you have a new website. So, promote this through emails, blogs, social media, whatever you need to do to get in front of your customers. And of course, last but not least, it's time to start making some money. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions, be sure to click on the link below or just visit us at that URL. And on behalf of Fast Track, thank you very much.